In this video I'm going to show you how to do the WPS wireless setup of your Canon Maxify GX5020 printer. We are going to connect it with the wireless router using a WPS push button method. Go to the printer display panel. Click on the setting icon. Select Wi-Fi setup. Scroll ahead. Select WPS push button. Press and hold the WPS button on the wireless router for 3 seconds. If your router has a WPS button, you can press and hold it for 3 seconds. If your router has a display screen, you can just scroll down and select Connect Wi-Fi device WPS. So it should connect within 2 minutes. Press OK button on the printer. Printer is connected with the router. Press OK. If you click on the setting icon on the main screen, you will see the Wi-Fi signal. Next step is to add this printer in a device for printing and scanning. You can add it in an iPhone, Android phone. For that you just have to go to the Canon Print app. You can download this app from the App Store. In the app we have to add the printer, so click on the add switch, register printer. Wait for your printer to show up on this screen. Select Canon GX5020 series. Instantly it should be showing up here and we are ready to use the printer for printing. For example, I can print a document, I can print the photos. So I'm just going to print this page. Let's see how it prints. So printer is printing. This way we can do the WPS wireless setup of the printer, and then we will add in a smartphone for printing. Thanks for watching.